Good afternoon, traders. Hope you guys are all having a great weekend so far. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick price action review of the S&P and the NASDAQ and some of the key swings I'm watching today. Now, stay to the end of the video, and I'm going to be going over Qualcomm, AMD, and let me just say there's some big money to be made in both of those. Some high probability setups definitely coming about. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Also, if you guys appreciate this content, please like, subscribe, comments, always greatly appreciated. So on SPX, what I would really like to see is, let's see if we can get a move above 4,600. If we can get a move above 4,600, get a weekly close above there, then I would watch 4,700 as a high probability area. If we get a rejection 4,600, I would watch 4,550 and 4,500. On the NASDAQ, what I would be very interested in is to see if we get a double top or even a double top on SPX. I mean, it's still possible that we reject the 4,600, so you might get a double top on SPX and the NASDAQ. So I just watch that until we can get above 4,600 or above 14.5. But if we reject 14.5, I'd watch 14,000, and then I would watch 13.5 if we really start to drop down. I doubt that it's going to move that fast down, but in the markets, you just never know. But if we can get a weekly close above 14.5, then that will open up the gates to 15,000. And that'll definitely be a big level, and we can see all-time highs pretty soon. On SPY and QQQ, what I'm going to be watching is we got to close above that, what was it, 458, was it? Yeah, 458. So I'd be very interested to see if we can get a close above 460 and 462 on the weekly. If we do, that's going to be very, very bullish. But if we get a retracement, which I wouldn't be shocked if we do, let's see, is a double top still in play? I mean, not really, but it could still come about. It could just be a false breakout. So if we end up getting a false breakout of that 458, I would watch 456, 454, and 452 as possible retracement zones. Remember, this still could be a double top on SPY. QQQ, what I'm going to be watching is going to be that 393 level. If we can get a close above 393, or even a close above, actually, yeah, you know what, it's 393 is the main level. Then I'll watch 397 and 400. And then on AMD and Qualcomm, the big things I'm watching is we got a constant pattern on the weekly of bull flag, big rally, bull flag, big rally, major bull flag, big rally. Now, it looks like it's getting a little weak now, so what I'm ideally looking for is for a retracement back down to 119, 117, and maybe 114. Now, if we get a deep retracement on AMD, you could get a test of the bull flag, which would be a very, very bullish move, and I might be interested in buying up shares at that point, but my main interest right now is in Qualcomm, actually. As you can see, Qualcomm has respected the supply and demand zone over the last, what is it, year? Yeah, about a year and a half, which is a very, very big thing. Nice setups, very high probability, and it's very consistent. So the top part of the supply zone is 140. Bottom part of this demand is going to range from 101.85 to 109.34. So I'd be very interested if we can get a push downwards on Qualcomm. Now, let's just say we head into the supply zone here. We break above 140. Then I think if you break above 140 on Qualcomm, I think you can get 150 and 154 easily. And I would be interested in doing a breakout setup on Qualcomm. But my main thing I'm going to be watching is for a move back down to this demand zone. I'll buy up, sell, and see if this pattern ends up continuing. But hope you guys appreciate this video, and thank you.